Good morning, Castle family. This is Katrina and Amanda with this week's Castle Communication. To begin with some updates, thank you so much for representing Castle so well at the Turnaround PLC meeting last Wednesday. Katrina and I both agreed that listening to the 4 schools, Castle has done so much and has come so far. We are very proud of you and thank you so much for your hard work.
All right, and then Dr. Bianchi was here last Thursday. She thoroughly enjoyed her visit. She went through several labs and some classrooms, and she was just very impressed with how much work we have done. So great job, everybody.
Last Friday was our school progress assessment. It is going to wrap up today when Katrina and I interview with the team. After our interview, they will complete the report and give that to us next week. And then once we've been able to synthesize that report, we will share with you the important themes that came out of the school progress assessment. Thank you to everybody who participated in the focus groups on Friday.
And then we have Ivan Alba on campus again this week, working with grades 4 through 6. 5th grade, he'll be working, Monday he'll be working with 5th grade, Tuesday with 4th grade, Wednesday with 6th grade, and then Thursday and Friday is individual coaching for those teachers. In addition, we'll email out some times where Ivan's available to talk to TK through 3rd grades if you guys have questions about your centers, your number talks, or anything else math related.
You should have received an email last week outlining quarter 3 ELD planning. Each grade level will get 4 hours of time carding. Make sure you complete the required agenda that was sent in that email. There are a few changes in the agenda, so make sure you take note of those. You also need to submit a sign-in sheet. Email the principals, both Katrina and me, with the date and time for your planning. And then also make sure you reach out to Jill, Bree, or Shannon for support in the planning. And then also let any supports, IIT teachers or aides know when you're planning so that they can be prepared as well.
This week is the Kindness Challenge. In your box Friday, you should have received a checklist showing how you might do kind actions. Please go over that with your students and give Knight's Code to recognize students who complete various tasks on the Kindness Challenge.
And speaking of kindness, Miss Neal's brand new pencil sharpener has gone missing. If you mistakenly took that pencil sharpener, please return it to Miss Neal ASAP.
All right, some reminders. Morning duty begins at 7:50 a.m. Please be there on time. We can't dismiss students from the NPR unless we have adequate supervision, so please try to be out there.
Also, continue to give out the staff nights codes. We will be doing another drawing for the various incentives that we've outlined. So make sure you turn those nights codes into the box in the secretary's office.
All right, and then Shannon put together a new after-school duty schedule that should have been in boxes Friday. If you're doing extended day, we took you out of that schedule and put you in a different extended day schedule, so just make sure you're taking a look at the new schedule.
Points for the cafeteria winners will continue this week because of the rainy day schedule on Friday. So let your students know they need to continue to do their best in the cafeteria so that they can have a game and eat outside on Friday.
And then Friday, we did not do treats with the principals due to our school progress assessment. We will be making that up tomorrow, Tuesday morning. So we'll call for you to send your students up.
Extended day for quarter 3 starts today. Please make sure your students know where they're going. Help point them in the right direction in line if possible. Also make sure, especially for the littles, that their extended day quarter 3 schedule is attached to their backpacks. And also we are now dismissing from the cafeteria. Nobody will be dismissed from the kindergarten yard.
And then we have our second quarter awards for 4th through 6th grade on Wednesday. The schedule's in the bulletin. Make sure Destiny has all of that information.
Katrina, myself, and a team will be in Atlanta, Georgia, Thursday and Friday of this week for our Turnaround Mid-Year Retreat. Shannon will be on campus Thursday and Friday to give additional support.
All right, and then Bonnie McGrath will be on campus next week for some leadership training.
Now for a few shout outs. Thank you to John and Kim for starting Loving Solutions for our parents last week. There was a great turnout. They will continue to meet with this first cohort every Wednesday morning for the next 10 weeks. So thank you so much for getting that started.
And then a big thanks to Jill and Bree for all their work organizing the logistics for Extended Day Quarter 3. We're ready to go again.
And a big thank you to Kami, Charlene, Alyssa, Roxy, Jenny, Ashley, Crystal, Michelle, Megan, and Anna for starting the Extended Day Math Intervention Program. Our students are going to benefit from this greatly, so thank you.
And then thank you to Kim for covering Extended Day on Monday and Thursday when Amanda and I are out.
Thank you to Jill and Jackie for helping out with McCormick's class last Friday when we were down a substitute.
And then Alyssa and Cheryl, thank you very much for all the support you gave with our substitutes on campus Friday.
And we want to welcome our new 5-hour aide, Jesus Ponce. He's joining the team today, and he's going to be filling in the role that Myra has been doing since the beginning of the year.
And then thank you to Myra for all of her support in that 5-hour aide sub position. She's done a great job. All right, guys, thanks for listening. That's all for this week.